Welcome to the tutorial. I will demonstrate how to use the demo on our website. Click on the example images to check the OCR extraction results. You can see the API results of various documents such as business registration certificates, product manuals, and business cards. Let's take a closer look at the example image. You can enlarge the image to see the extraction results in detail. Compare the image on the left and the extracted text on the right. Click the Upload button and try out your image. Your image has been extracted successfully. You can also check the results in JSON format. Click the Download button to receive the results as a file. Experience a faster, more scalable API now in the Upstage console.